Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's MDEVAAN and have you checked out my website mdevan360.com? The spelling is on the left hand corner. So today I'm going to be making mocktails, something fun for the weekend. Very simple, straightforward. I'm using Schweppes and the first one. I'm just gonna call this a Schweppes mix. So I'm just gonna put ice, Schweppes, grenadine syrup, which can be substituted for Ribena, or a sweet syrup of your choice. And then we're gonna put in some lemons, mint leaf for decor, a straw, and you are good to go. Yeah, see how good that looks. And it tastes really nice as well. So this is an option for you if you're staying in with the girls, if you're having a party at home. These are good mocktails to try. So we have ice, lemon. I'm trying to use ingredients that are easily available in the house. So here we're going to pour in a bit of Fanta. This is a sweet sunset mocktail. It can be made differently, but this is the easiest way. And the trick to getting that sunset feel is to target the pouring of your syrup. If you noticed, I poured it at the edge of the cup. So once you do that, it doesn't mix totally. And then also the arrangement of your ice matters as well. So you mix that in and then you get a good grading. So the beautiful grading of the glass there. So yeah, there is the sweet sunset mocktail. Super easy, can be done. So these are just fun ways to make your drinks interesting. Instead of just presenting your guests with basic Sprite, you can as well put in ice in a cup, put in your lemons, pour your Sprite, and then add your syrup for that extra touch. And wow them. Well, unless you watch my channel. Then we all know what you're doing in the kitchen. So yeah, this is another good way to present your drinks to make it more interesting for your guests as well. They look pretty, they taste nice, and you're sure of what's going into your mix. Ooh, that's a good shot. So yes, let's go on to the next drink. As usual, I'm going to put in the ice first. Put in our ice, put in our lemons. Now, as I said earlier, these are all optional, but they just give a certain oomph to your presentation. So we're using Sprite, Fanta, and syrup to make Chapman. This is literally the easiest Chapman you can make at home. It's the easiest Chapman you can make at home. It's a sweet mocktail, can be served to adults and children for a friendly social environment. So yeah, we're done. Let me know, do you guys enjoy these recipes? Are you going to try them? If you're going to try them, then I'll definitely post more so that you can have a good time with your guests. Hit the subscribe button. I love you.